Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Hello Rohit Reddy sir, welcome. Now just waiting for others to join and waiting for 8 o'clock. Hopefully we get any interesting setup in the market today. Hello Ilan sir, happy evening. Satik, Anup sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Now those of you who's joining the live stream, quickly like the video. Now traders, there are some interesting observation. First is you can see this area is forming double top, right? At this zone, many people would have entered considering this as a resistance, this one candle, and this candle has created some kind of pressure for the buyers who have, people who entered this breakout to a certain extent. They're kind of getting trapped during this pullback. I don't think it will affect them so much as of now, but people who entered at this area, if market starts moving towards the upside, they might get into trouble. There are two zones mainly I'm waiting for in case market comes to this zone on a 3 minutes time frame. Here any reversal setup is what I'll be looking for, or at some point of time if market goes out of this zone with small stop loss, I might be focusing on bullish trade. So in both the setup, stop loss will be small. That's what I'm planning for right now. We will see. One is this correction. Here any reversal, maybe the buyers who are entered the market at this zone, they might re-enter here and they can push the market towards the upside, or they might little liquidity they can create from this zone only, they can move. Two opportunities we will wait for. Good evening Lakshmi, Narayana Babu sir, Atul sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Karthikeyan, hello, welcome. Those of you who's joined the live stream, don't forget to like the video. It motivates us to make regular videos like this, and also it helps YouTube algorithm, right? See, looking at this move, many people would have entered in the past. Again, at this zone, many people would have entered. These people, if they have not exited, to trap them, market can make a momentum towards the upside from this zone, or after removing any weak buyers from the market, from this zone, one upside movement is possible. So in both of the situation, also I can notice that market is kind of respecting this 236 level as a support. It is taking at this zone. So if it moves up, maybe I can capture a decent opportunity. So one small risk I'm planning to take, only problem is the US market opening. So let's say we do this. Little this zone, how market is respecting is important for me. So what I'm going to do right now, okay, I'll be taking one trade. Okay, I'm taking a bit early trade so that in case the market moves little bit also towards the upside, quickly I can start seeing some decent profit in the market. So I'm scrolling down, adding my stop loss for the trade. This is the stop loss I have updated. Okay, this is the first trade. So here I'll put the risk reward calculator. Sorry, this is my entry. Stop loss little below this level I have placed, and my target ideally has to be 1:1.5 or 1:2, at least that. Okay, why am I entering this trade? Because like I said, two opportunity. One, market can move towards the upside to hunt the stop loss of people who was considered this as resistance and entered, or maybe weak players it can remove and then continue the upside move from this magnet zone. That opportunity when I will get, I don't know. In front of me, if this is the opportunity I have to take, for a reasonable stop loss, I'm going to consider that, right? So everything is market decision right now. This is the running trade. If you see yesterday US market opening situation also, what happened was, first my view was bearish itself. Market gave a breakout, created some confusion, and later corrected. Now little resistance only it is facing at the upper level, forming triple top. People will consider this as resistance. So if put option bearish traders have entered the market at the zone, upside move possibility is there. So for that small risk if I take, I don't think it's going to be a problem, right? I'm not planning to enter the trade after the breakout. Before that only I'm planning, because sometimes after this breakout when I plan the entry, I'm getting somewhere at the zone or this zone. That time placing the stop loss target, everything can become a bit uh, of an issue for me. But little early only if I plan the entry, quickly when market starts moving towards the upside only, I can see off the profit that I need. Sheikh sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. This is the trade which is running right now. Traders in the comment section, just let me know, have you understood the logic why I have taken this trade? It's purely based on price action and stop loss hunting. Expectation is, considering this as resistance, many people might not enter. Usually I try to do opposite of what many people think. So if people are having bearish view, looking at this previous moves in the market, hopefully if market goes to trap them, they will start exiting their position. For that I will be able to capture a decent move. That is what I am feeling. That is the logic for my entry. Just let me know if the view what I've given is clear for you. Okay, Rohit Reddy sir. Others also confirm. Around 54 people are watching the live stream. Only 20 likes. The more people start liking the video, that time even I'll be motivated to stay live for longer duration and give better trades. John Vijay sir, thank you. Thanks for confirming. See, as of now, only in risk reward calculator, I have put the targets. Okay. Expectation is if market let it go first to this target. Okay. Later, I might increase the target. See, next here there is one pressure zone in the market. Many people will consider, okay, if this level breaks, this can be the next resistance. So as long as market breaks this area, or even if it reaches this area, next potential is it can continue the up move, right? So that is what I'm thinking about the market right now. We will see. I don't want to change my stop loss level because that's a reasonable stop loss what I have given for this trade. It's very minimal, around 200 to 20 250 points. Usually I don't get. I've got that stop loss level only because I've entered a bit early. So next, this area is the next resistance. Just wait for some time. If market breaks this level, I think smoothly next it will go up to 99,500 range. To go to that level, first it has to break this level, right? So until then we'll just patiently wait. Of course, there will always be worry about the 8 o'clock movement, about the market and things like that. But same way, it can be turning into a profitable one, or it can be turning into an issue. Both kind of situation is there. But as long as we don't take the risk, the moment in the market, definitely I will miss. So little early on itself, I have tried to plan my entry. See, considering this area as resistance, again people would have entered, right? One, two, three, four attempts it has done. So potential is still there for it to continue towards the upside. So stop loss is not hit. Uh, so we will wait. Too much of lines here is might be creating confusion for people. Okay, so I will remove all the unnecessary lines so that the screen is more visible for you guys. Now quickly I'll switch to 1 minute time frame because that's my preferred time frame. Now how many of you entered the trade along with me? Okay, could you please explain again stop loss hunting? See, in market continuously, first this area was acting as resistance, one attempt. Again, what people tried to do, one more attempt they entered. And again, when market came to this area, third time people attempted. My expectation was from here, if market wants to hunt the stop loss of people who have entered bearish trade, considering this area as resistance, from quickly it should move. Okay, this is first opportunity. So this opportunity, if I plan to enter before market opens, uh, I will get better entry for my trade. So that was the logic. So first market can hunt the stop loss here or remove all the weak players, and later from this zone it can correct. Two opportunity. First opportunity I got here, so I executed that. So market is going according to that. Now here, if people again, if they think this is going to be the resistance and they plan their entry, again liquidity is getting created here, then upside move, or from here market can correct, later upside move. Saranya Ganesh, Hello, welcome to the live stream. Now, if you have understood the logic, just like the video. Karthikeyan sir, you entered. Okay, good. Rohit Reddy sir entered. Nazib entered. Okay. Now, if the upside movement has to come, it has to come from here only, right? Maybe again come to my zone and later again reverse, like that only something can happen. I don't think market up to the stop loss level it can come, but just in case if it corrects 70-80% and then reverse, I'm not trail the stop loss. But if it moves up above the zone, then I'll keep trailing the stop loss and going. So this will become a kind of risk-free trade. Until then, little patiently I have to wait. 93,008 98,530. Okay, so your entry is along with me. Thanks to everyone who's putting that effort in going and liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It's a real motivation for me also. Now, considering this area as a resistance, many people still their focus will be, okay, should I enter or not? So bearish, they'll be more focused on bearish trade itself until this level breaks. You can see what kind of correction market did here. So more people getting attracted on the bearish side, potential of upside movement according to stop loss hunting is high. So we can patiently wait now. Like this 200 to 20 points stop loss risk trade and all getting is very difficult, because one candle movement only you see how much big it can be. This candle alone is 200 points. Since we have taken entry little bit early, understanding where market can hunt the stop loss, we have got better price. After market opens, if we had entered at this breakout, you see, little issue we would have had. I studied many things from your YouTube, but your way, yours way very logical. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, some of you might ask, okay, market is coming to this resistance. No, can I exit? You might ask. That is entirely up to you. I will not exit. I'm okay to give the stop loss if market comes down, takes my stop loss also. For me, it doesn't matter, because I have got a reasonable entry for my trade and stop loss is very minimal. I'm ready to give the stop loss, because if market goes as per the direction, bigger movement is possible. See, I'm telling you, this is an opportunity for who wants to exit, but I will not exit, because for me it doesn't matter right now. Expectation is more than 1:2 risk reward to capture is the goal. So for that, I'm okay to take the risk. So now little people will start seeing pressure. Okay, this is the resistance. How can I plan? Here any correction comes also, market can continue the upside move. So till now, movement is close to 300, 370 points. People are showing interest near this resistance. Okay, that is there. But I have no interest in exiting. I'm okay to give the stop loss. Many people mindset might be to exit. If that is the case, you do. I learned a lot from you. Okay, thank you so much, sir. You must say thank you to you. Okay, thank you, Karthikeyan sir, for all the positive messages. So whoever entered along with me, you would be in a decent profit right now. A proper risk reward you would have got for your trade. Okay, so I'm not going to this one. See, now target also is achieved. I have no interest in exiting this trade. If you want to exit, you exit. That is entirely up to you. I'm going to reduce my loss. That's all. This target done. Okay, first target done. We will see what can be the next target. You want to exit, you are worried, you want to take the profit home. That is up to you, traders. I cannot give any comment on that. Maybe next market has potential of moving up to 99,500 range, kind of range. So hopefully if it goes, breaks this level again and moves towards the upside, this is what will be the next target. Okay, I'm saying for people who's thinking of holding. As of now, the first trade, whatever I said, the logic, that is over. Okay, have you guys booked the profit? Are you holding? If you're booked, what is the profit? Let me know in the comment section. Holding. Okay. See, you want to exit all those things, that's entirely up to you. I just noticed you're using 50x leverage. Any advantage instead of no 200x leverage and all is not even needed, traders. You see, with the capital I have, hmm, if I go to 200x, I set this, and I think 1000 quantity also. You see, I can take 2 3 BTCs with the capital which I have. I think around 1 lakh 50 60,000. I've just kept it in this account. But that 200x leverage, all those things is not required to execute. 50x is only fine for 1000. For the 100 quantity also, if you want to take available margin, you see how much I can take. Still I'm taking a less quantity itself. Don't get influenced by looking at 200x leverage, all those things. By that, if market moves up by a quick momentum as per your direction, if you're taking more leverage, more quantity, the profit what you will make also is more. At the same time, risk also is more. As long as it is not as per your according to your risk capacity, don't go and take too much leverage in the market. If you ask me if there is an issue, yes. See, my expectation was this zone market will hold on to this zone, attract people and correct, but it has given direct breakout. But still, I have no interest in exiting the trade. Already the target was done. Who wanted to exit, I've informed them to exit. For me, uh, market, I've also trailed the stop loss. This is how much stop loss is this for today? 100 points. That is nothing, right? So we have reduced the risk. We are trying for bigger target. If market gives, good for us only. Thank you for the clarification. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome. Um, $20 profit booking expected, expecting some correction in the market before the up move. Yes, even I feel there is, because market has given direct breakout here, right? If it had corrected here, liquidity was created and moved, but the subside move has just created little pressure for, as per stop loss hunting here, breakout anyone thinks of entering, to remove them little more correction all the market can do. So maximum what our entry is proper, this is the area. If it's correcting little more also, then moving towards the upside, nothing is big is there for me to lose today in this first trade. I'll explain one logic for you guys. If one resistance level is tested one time, two times, three times, chances of people, retail traders thinking, okay, let me exit, this is a strong resistance is high, then to hunt the stop loss, market can move, right? So that is the view why we took this trade, planned the trade initially at this zone. But direct breakout, if it gives all the stop loss hunting quickly market has removed, then there will not be any stop loss hunting. In that case, what will happen? Okay, what the trend market is doing, bullish trend. So now it is a decision which market is doing to decide, okay, let me make a lower high, and then sorry, higher low, and then let me do a higher high. If that is what market is deciding, then for me achieving this target should not be a problem. But if market says, okay, all the stop loss here, everything I have hunted, no stop loss, then let me just stay sideways for a while, create liquidity. Let's say it's trading within this range for longer duration. That time stop loss hunting will be there on top. Considering this resistance, people will enter. Considering this as support, people will enter. So both the side liquidity is there. That time both the side movement is possible. That is not under our control. When we look into the trade, idea was it will hunt the stop loss towards the upside. With that logic, this was the risk reward. This risk reward is achieved. Next, since the stop loss for the trade is very small, why not hold on to the trade for longer duration? Because again, will we get the opportunity or not? We will not know. Please do live stream for 2 hours. See, traders continuously, I have, see, this is the plan. I've already told you earlier also. My plan is 13th, plan is to go to Singapore. I'll be coming back on 21st. After coming back 21st, I'll be doing 2 sessions. Okay, one will be London session. Let's say from 1 o'clock to 3:30, I'll focus on uh, the London session market, and later, so from 1 o'clock to 3:30 means it is close to 2 and a half hours then. And in night US market session, again 2 sessions I'll be doing. That is before US market open, let's say around 7:30 I will come live, and from 7:30, 9:30 to 10 o'clock, that will be my live session. Only thing is, since I have this plan already, now if I do the live stream for longer duration and all those things, people might get adjusted to that. And if they see 10 days continuously I'm not doing any video, then it is a problem. So when I start, I don't want to stop it again. Post 21st, I will try my best to do 2 live stream, that too as per your request. To I'm very new here, just opened my account. Could you please give me some advice from starting crypto trading? I have some experience in investing in stock market and some in mutual fund. See, and BTC and all those things, I have no interest to do investment. I'm looking at this as an opportunity for us to trade. That's all. That too, especially in the futures market where we are getting a nice leverage. So taking advantage of that only, I want to focus on BTC or other Bitcoins also for that matter. So goal for me is only trading in crypto, no taking any investment based on crypto market. Okay, this is the first thing. So while trading, how to do all those things, already I have made a video on YouTube, around 30-35 minutes video. You go to my channel, in that you just search, I think in the month of November I would have posted that video. You just search in our channel for Delta Exchange, crypto trading, something like that. You will find that video link. Go and watch that. It can be useful for you. Little pressure is there on the this one seller side. The main reason, like I said earlier, after giving a breakout at this zone, apart from that, there's no stop loss hunting level on top. So market has to create some liquidity. For that, expectation is it will correct a bit. We have trailed the stop loss, so the stop loss, nothing lost here, hardly, let's say $4 or $5. That's it. Whoever exited here, good for you. Next setup, I'll be considering this level as just a correction in the market before the upside move. So any opportunity again, if I get, I'll focus on that. Anyways, let me switch to our magnet zone. Nothing interesting on a 3 minutes time frame right now. Now what is one thing that we can see here is a trend line. Okay, this trend line is acting as support 1, support 2. Now this area can act as support 3. Okay, but my strong feeling is if market gives opportunity for everyone at this zone attracting at support, later it can correct and move towards the downside also. All the weak players the market has removed. So in case there is any opportunity for me again on the bullish side, I'm thinking to focus on that. Let me see. This is a decent price for entry. Like I said, this is the only problem for me. Just like how it gave a breakout here and it failed. Let's say market comes to this zone. This is the buyer's re-entry zone. By then market would have broken this level, attracted more put option traders, bearish traders, and later from this zone again market can reverse. So two opportunity here, from this zone only it can move up, or from this zone. Let me quickly analyze the chart. If there is anything interesting for me, any entry point I get, quickly I will discuss with you guys. Sorry traders, I think I was on mute. I did not say anything, and I was not looking at anything what you guys messaged also. Sorry for that. I was just speaking on my own. I think this is one zone where I think, see, market has given a breakdown here. It has attracted some people. If these buyers want to re-enter, if they try to push the market up from this zone with reasonable stop loss, if I plan for a decent 1:2 risk reward trade here, this might be a good opportunity for me to re-enter. So that's what I was saying. Sorry, I was on mute. This is a decent place. I think for I can plan one entry here. Only thing is continuous red candle. Some kind of buyer's pressure if I see. Little below this I'll place my stop loss. Okay, this is a reasonable stop loss for my trade, and I'm going to take my entry right now. Okay, I feel this can be the buying pressure zone. Market has removed all the weak players. Sometime back, I hope you remember, I said if market wants to hunt the stop loss of upper level, first it will correct, later from this zone it will move towards the upside. That was the first trade. Now let me quickly place the stop loss trigger because that's the most important thing. I'll go down. So this is what I feel as the buying pressure zone in the market. So hopefully if market starts moving towards the upside from here, we can capture a decent movement. Okay. What I feel is market right now is oversold. So for some kind of liquidity, at least a correction up to this zone. Here a decent 1:2 2.5 risk reward is what we can focus on. How to trade in Delta Exchange, this video, sir? Yeah, how to trade in Delta Exchange, there I have already made one video on YouTube. You please go and see that. In that you will get to know how to trade with Delta Exchange, and you will get a basic idea about what is leverage, how to place stop loss, how to place target, how to capture the moment. All of those things I would have explained there. Okay. So how many of you entered the trade along with me? Okay. Entered. Rohit sir entered. I have entered. I have entered. Okay. See, this is seems like a reasonable stop loss for our trade. So if, see here, like I said, market gave a breakout here. After breakout, there was no other stop loss hunting level. So to create liquidity, market corrected, removed all the weak players. After creating liquidity, that too after giving a breakdown here, many people would have entered. So expectation is this breakdown can fail and market can move towards the upside. So when it moves up, it has little more liquidity. So that was a reasonable logic for me to plan the trade. So from here, if market moves, okay, decent movement will be able to capture. Okay. Gotten in, you have gotten in at a slightly higher level. So at this zone, right? Okay. Your stop loss has to be somewhere little lower only. Okay. Ideally I feel this is a reasonable stop loss for this trade. Little more confidence I had at this trade. First trade 50 quantity, second trade we took 100 quantity. So the setup from here, if trapping happens, decent 1 is to 2 risk reward we will be able to capture. That is what was the view, hopefully. Now traders, I have explained all the logic behind why I felt at the zone market can this breakdown can fail and market can move towards the upside. Continuously this trend line was acting as a support area. Some people exactly at the support, if if market holds, they might think about re-entering. So expectation is market can break this level, the buyers might re-enter and then they can push the market towards the upside. But quickly I feel this is a reasonable stop loss for the trade, so I'll give that stop loss. Now it is up to, it forms high low lower high lower low. Without hitting the stop loss, if it starts moving towards the upside, it would be a decent thing for me. Little problem will be like when it exactly, like I said, comes to this support, it okay, it has broken the support, no problem. Ideally it should hold. Too much pressure is there. Okay, market is trying to little trap our setup, but expectation is it can move towards the upside itself. Let me quickly see. It's kind of 382 level support for the market. So ideally will it see from recent swing low to this one swing high. Sorry, from this zone. Okay, if I look at this kind of 382 level support itself, but one problem that we have is market trying to remove additional buyers from here, the buyers who are here also, then here it will attract people and later recover. So 50% chance is there for the setup. That has become one issue now. If ideally from this zone it wants to move up, or as per my understanding market wants to move up, only doubt is after hunting the stop loss also by giving a breakdown, will it move up? That's the question. So what I can do is wait for a bit. Trend line breakdown, a retest again. Market has broken this level. So if market goal is to remove people at this zone and this zone, till it can correct. Little tricky market has become. Let me see at this area. Say somewhere near this area. From this area, market has given a breakdown, attracted people here, and then from here a bit of reversal up to this zone. See, this is one setup. This is 50-50% chance. One more setup will be when market goes below, where is that? When market goes below, comes closer to this zone. I mean, it gives a breakdown here and later it can reverse. So this is safer trade, and this current trade is 50-50% chance trade. Okay, so these two situations I have. So what I'm thinking right now is, let's say, since I'll go with less quantity here. If you don't want to plan any uh, bullish trade or whatsoever, that's entirely up to you. But I'm going to do two attempts, one at the zone, one more at the next supporting zone when market comes. So this is my entry, this is my stop loss. If this setup is failing, then there is a potential of downside continuation in the market. Market can make a bigger momentum towards the downside, so I don't want to give more risk than this here. Okay, and I will wait for the next setup when market comes, breaks this zone. Upside move, market came down, created some liquidity on top, hunted all the stop losses. Here it is attracting more put option traders, but these buyers are strong, they will re-enter. This is the second setup. First setup, why I have taken the trade right now, only because if this is a trend correction, low, high, higher low, higher high, again if this becomes the higher low, then next one higher high possibility is there. So these two kind of situation I'm looking at, so I have taken this trade. We will see. Now traders, the first trade which I took, in that the target was achieved, but I said we'll just keep it at cost to cost. Whoever wanted to exit, they could have exited. Second trade, it was a good trade. Risk reward for the trade expectation was not at least up to this area. Expectation was at least up to this zone. If market comes, we'll be able to capture. Okay, market has kind of trapped me also in this case. So now if it has attracted more people by giving a breakdown here, then this can be one attempt for market to move towards the upside. If this setup fails, I'll wait for the next setup where I've told, right, where market can correct. That will be the next buying setup. If it goes below this zone, focus will change from bullish to bearish until it goes to the zone what I have discussed earlier. You ignored my message which I said when market is at previous resistance, that previous high was respected Fibonacci 0.5 or 618 level, and buyers SL also available at bottom. At what time you said? See, traders, one simple thing I'll try to tell you. Okay, here I have to look at the message also, I have to look at the market also. Doing everything at once is kind of challenging itself. When market is giving us time, okay, this is what it is, like before 8 o'clock, I had got the time to explain all the logic behind why market can hunt the stop loss on top. So we had all the time to take the entry. But at these kind of situation, if I keep reading your message, whenever I get time only I can go and read the message, right? Now I've taken the trade, I've placed the stop loss, all the logics I have explained. Now I have that time to come and read out all the message. So that is the only thing. It is not like I ignored your message. Multitasking is also difficult. See, first, I will be looking at where market can hunt the stop loss. So here, if people are considering this as a resistance zone, then my entry was somewhere here, because expectation is too much market has to put pressure here. If it comes here, okay, after hunting stop loss, let it reverse. That is the setup I was thinking about. But here, expectation is okay. If these people have entered, again continuously market has given them chance to enter a bearish trade, then what is the chances of market hunting their stop loss compared to hunting the stop loss at the bottom? At first trade, hunting the stop loss on top probability according to me was 70-80%. So with that logic, the first trade we executed. Second trade, when market was continuously correcting, I expected, okay, this zone after filling, we can expect a upside move, because all the stop loss hunting at recent swing was taken out. There was no recent stop loss hunting. But I'm still saying there is 50% chance for this one to work out, is because in recent time there's no stop loss hunting. But what if market decides to remove all these weak players, and this buyer is still waiting for re-entering the market when market comes to this zone? So that time, probability of 70-80% I will have that after this breakdown it can fail, because these buyers are strong. Mainly my identification, I would do an attempt is to understand where buyers and sellers can re-enter the market, where they feel it is fair price for them to enter, to re-enter. Based on that only I can take the trades. Everything I've explained in our stop loss hunting course and on regular videos what I do on YouTube. Sai Manikanta sir, I hope for you I've given clarity. It is just that I did not like I purposefully ignored your message. Since lot of things I have to look at, I have to execute the order also, everything I have to do. Then sometimes it will take time for me to check out the message and respond to you, right? That's the only problem. Now I have executed the order. Sir, you don't have tell that, sir. I am just telling. Okay. No, sir. Your comment I respect. It is just that little lot of things we'll be looking at, right? That is what I'm giving you a reason. Not nothing intentional here. Of course, it is forming lower highs, lower lows, and moving towards the downside, right? I can see that. To a certain extent, if it forms a lower low after this, little focus will turn to bearish until market reaches this zone. Sorry. This can be the next supporting zone. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, then support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Also in the comment section, after liking the video, mention your name. Top 5 names, whoever mentioned, I will announce your name as well. Correcting at 0.382 level, is it? Okay. As long as it comes to this zone, up to this zone, it comes in correct, I'm kind of safe. Little if it goes off below this zone, of course it is going to be a problem. PRVS means you say previous low breakdown. Yeah, see, this is the zone, right? A little correction, and later from here, if market can move, if previous this low, if it breaks, exiting is a good idea. What you say is acceptable, right? Because at that point of time, downtrend continuation, if it is happening, amount of stop loss what I give also might kind of reduce. So the logic what you're saying is okay. Little up to this zone, I feel we can be kind of safe. So trail may stop loss a bit. Okay. So if you want, even you guys can trail your stop loss. Let it go little more higher, then I will trail. It is forming double bottom. See, for me, as long as it is forming double bottom, slowly it is coming here, giving a breakdown, all those things is my advantage itself. As long as it doesn't break this zone, I'm kind of happy how much ever it comes. Only it should not break this zone. Karthikeyan sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Jagan sir, thank you. 69 people watching, only 50 likes. Another 19 people are pending. Now, quickly, those who are very new to crypto, what I would suggest to you is watch an important video, which is absolutely free of cost. I have shared in our YouTube channel. Okay, I'll share the link with you. What you do is after this live stream, please go and check it out. Many doubts you might have. For many people, crypto market might be new. So I would highly recommend you to go and check out that video. Just give me a second, I'm just looking for that link. So this is the video, traders. If you are very new to crypto, you can go and have a look. Someone asked me to draw the Fibonacci levels. I marked it. Market, you see the same pattern. I said nothing to worry about. Right now it's getting converted to double top. Oh, sorry, W pattern. Again here, if it is trying to trap people, that means market wants to be sideways to create liquidity, or directly if it moves up to this zone, target will be achieved. See here, double top also it had kind of formed here. Here it is forming a W pattern. Both the kind of setup it is forming. So we'll see. It has gone out of, someone asked me to draw Fibonacci, no? See, it has gone out of 382 level. So kind of okay. By the time, if these sellers are planning to re-enter, by the time market reaches of our target, we are kind of okay with that. Now we will reduce our stop loss a bit. Okay. Lakshmi Babu sir, yeah, even I feel that. We'll see. We'll leave it to the market at a little lower level only. We have entered reasonable stop loss. We have trailed the stop loss also. Let it move. Both the side trapping is happening. If you ask, of course it is happening. What can be done? Now who wants to trail your SL, you can do that. Okay, you can trail your SL a bit. So now to a certain extent I have reduced the risk also for the trade. Okay, here at this resistance, will market correct? More than that, even if it corrects, probability is there it will achieve the target. So I'm not too much worried about this. I've reduced my risk also in this trade, so no problem here. The more it holds on to this range, right, for me it is better. But quickly, if it breaks this level only, little worried I would be, because when the sellers on top, when will they re-enter, that worry will be there. So if it directly breaks off this level, I will get off my stop loss very minimal, or whoever wants to exit at that spike, you can do that. Okay, I've not read any messages. Hi Anna, your view is good. By keeping watching your video, we will also learn it quickly. That is the goal in live stream. When I come, I can explain more things quickly. In Nifty, Bank Nifty and all, we are not able to do that because of the regulation. That's okay, no problem. At logic, whatever I'm explaining here, same thing in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Maybe whatever you learn here, you can try to use it there also. I use similar kind of logics. Now, close to 450 points moment. If you are worried, okay, this is the resistance, market can correct from here. If you want to exit, you exit. That's up to you. But I'm okay with to hold this trade. Last time also I had told whoever wanted, once the target achieved, if you want to exit, you can exit. I am holding. But that time after achieving the target, market corrected, right? So in this case also, again I'm telling, if you made a decent this one, you want to exit, you exit, but I am not exiting. Okay. Shall we get our stop loss little higher? We'll do this. So again, just like the first trade, the loss we have reduced very much. Okay. Whoever feels okay, this is a range where market can correct, I want to exit, means you can exit. Okay. I'll not repeat that again. If your mindset is to exit, you exit. Close to 500 plus points. Five 100 points movement it has given, but I am expecting around at least up to 700 points. And we have reduced the risk also. Stop loss what was here, we have got it down here. So kind of okay with this trade. Now in all the instance, goal is to just uh, when identify the important levels and quickly start reducing the amount of stop loss that we give, right? That is what I did in the first trade. In this trade also, the amount of loss what I wanted to give, I reduced. You see, at that point of time, if I had still kept a bigger stop loss for the trade, then during this move I wouldn't have I have the capital, but I'm saying based on the lot size what I take, again I might not be taking the fresh entry. But since we protected some capital here, to take the next trade, I have that capital available with me. So that is one thing. It touched 0.618 level. Okay. Now here people are looking at this as a double top. From here people are looking at this as W pattern. So hopefully W pattern breakout, if it gives, we'll be able to capture the moment. Sir, last time if advertisement is keeping on coming, I've requested you to download Brave browser. In that you will not get YouTube ads. From our end we have checked continuously, we have stopped putting any kind of ads. Only one ad when you join the live stream you are supposed to get. If you're getting more ads, if it is disturbing for you, then please try this method. Okay, Brave browser is the name. What is the logic for the trade? Okay, now you see there are two buyers. First and thing is this buyer here. Okay, this is the support, this is the support, and here market gave a breakdown. After this breakdown it has attracted more put option traders. If this buyer feels this is a fair level for us to re-enter the market, he will re-enter and he will push the market towards the upside. Same way how sellers are sitting here, you push the market down, and if market moves up until this level he might re-enter. Okay, so there were two areas where buyers can re-enter. One is at this zone where this had a success rate of uh, 50%. I mean how safe this trade is. One more area was at this zone. This buyer who let's say market gave a bigger breakdown here, it removed of all the weak buyers who randomly entered. Instead of reversing from here, it wanted to target this people also. Here if it had given a breakdown, again here I would have looked for any reversal setup. Okay, here one attempt, here one attempt, two situations, because only after we take the trade or only after the market moves we get to know. We can see after movement is over, we cannot come and say okay we should have entered here, would have captured movement. No, in live market I had opportunity to enter here once and later at the zone one more entry. If market breaks off this level also, next my idea is to be bearish until market reaches this zone. When it gives this breakdown here, the buyers who's at the bottom they might re-enter again, they can push the market towards the upside. That time I will change my view to bullish. So one attempt here if they want to push it towards the upside, or one more attempt if they want to push it after breaking this level. So the concept is purely based on stop loss hunting traders. Okay, if you regularly keep following the channel day to day, if I keep explaining the concept, even you will get a hang of it. Target, I feel, see target, I feel okay if this was the area where market corrected at this zone directly. If it gives a spike here, there I will book off the target, or if it holds on to this range, okay, for longer duration, or in this case also if market is correcting, I will feel okay it is creating liquidity. Later to hunt their stop loss, one spike up to this zone it can come. I cannot keep more bigger target because the sellers who are here, I don't know how strong they are. They can re-enter, they might not allow the market to go up to this resistance, they might enter the market little lower itself. So I felt this is a fair price for me to place the target and fair price to place my entry stop loss as well. Now if this is going to convert to lower high lower low formation, then the market is not giving importance to buyer who is here. It wants to go even lower to capture bigger movement. Don't they re-enter at 0.618 level? See, sometimes at 618 level, sometimes at 786 level, they might re-enter. So exactly we cannot time. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty, little more buffer we have to give when it comes to crypto market. So more than 40-45 live streams I have done, right? End of this month, once I'm back, how to use Fibonacci levels more clearly and all those things. Maybe I will conduct a webinar for all of our crypto community group members. Okay, so whoever is a part of this group, for you we will conduct a free webinar. So if you wish to join this crypto community group for absolutely free of cost, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. It's also there in the description box below. Once you open an account, reach out to my team on this number, inform them, and they will give you access. If you are interested to learn crypto strategies also for absolutely free of cost, you can. There are some videos here based on indicators. It has a good success rate, so if you want, you can try that out also. Everything you get it for free when you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. The link is there in the pinned comment or description box below. You can check it out. Okay. How you can determine all those things? You will be a part of our webinar, right? Maybe little more fine tuning I will do, and then in that webinar I will explain. Okay, give me some time. It's kind of humid here, so are you getting any noise, any disturbance, traders? See, if it corrects here, takes off the stop loss again from here, if it wants to move towards the upside, nothing can be done. Now only I'm saying, if you want, you place your stop loss here. I've already placed my stop loss. I've trailed my stop loss a bit, but I feel okay, if it gives a breakdown here, this can be a last chance for correction. And since I don't want to re-enter the market again, this is the zone I'm just going to update my stop loss. Okay, because this is going to be the last trade for the day. I don't know what happened. Okay, just to be on a safer side. Okay, already from this zone I've got my stop loss here, but here if it just gives a breakdown and then if it corrects, it's going to be a problem for me. I'm okay to give this stop loss. No need to give stop loss up to this zone. Okay, I've revised my stop loss. I've explained the logic, so please take that into consideration if you're okay with that. Can we place entry and exit in advance? Yes, you can do. You can go for limit order. You can choose the price and you can choose the quantity, and then you can place a bracket order where you want to place the stop loss, where you want to place the target. So that can be useful for you. Traders, I'm informing next trade I don't want to take, so I'm trying to consider this as the maximum stop loss for the trade. I planned it here, but if it breaks this level and then correct, then it will simply I'll get disappointed. Again, one more trade I might have to take. So rather I'm getting my stop loss here, keeping you updated. No need to keep stop loss up to this zone. If it breaks off this zone, then downside movement or possibility only is there. Isn't it a flag pattern? I feel you're saying as this. Some people might have considered this as flag pattern or this trend line breakdown. If it tries to hunt their stop loss and hunt the stop loss of people who was at the upper level, who has not yet exited, who thinks, okay, when market comes to this support, let me exit to hunt the stop loss. If market moves towards the upside, our target will be achieved. If you ask me, can we consider this as a bearish flag pattern? Yes, this is a pole, right? And this is the flag. Let's say this is the bearish flag pattern, what you are referring to as per my understanding. If it breaks off this level also, what's the point on me holding the trade? Because downside bearish flag pattern can work. I've already taken a bullish trade. I don't want to uh, exit from the current trade just by looking at this flag pattern, because there are some stop losses here also. This trend lines people would have considered and entered also. So there is liquidity at the top also. So why should I exit here? Stop loss is small. Why it did not hunt below stop loss, if you ask me? You see, okay, market came down up to this zone. It gave a breakdown here, gave opportunity for put option traders to enter or bearish traders to enter. Some people looking at this breakdown, they would have entered that market bearish trade to hunt their stop loss. Didn't the market move towards the upside? Let's say you entered at this breakdown, or let's say you entered at this breakdown or here. To hunt your stop loss, did market move towards the upside or not? Wouldn't have it removed all the weak players? It would have, right? So it's not that I'm saying only stop loss hunting can happen on top. It is just that at the bottom stop loss hunting was over. So next market might move towards the upside was the logic. Now here also, why I got my stop loss little lower is, okay, again for market to move towards the upside, it might need some liquidity. From here it is attracting people. If it gives a breakdown after hunting, it will attract little more put option traders. So from here if it corrects, it gets hunting levels here, all those things. So that is why the stop loss was revised. But by chance it goes here and it goes here, then I have no interest in holding on to this trade. The stop loss what I decided here, no point in giving up to this level directly. If these buyers are here, after removing all the weak buyers, from here only it has to correct. PE traders SL hunting was done right means, at what time you are saying, sir? See, there are two kinds of things the market can do. One is it might decide I want to be trendy. Trendy can be upside or downside. Now, If market wants or it can do stop loss hunting. Here I am saying this move after attracting people, the moment what it did was stop loss hunting. But after this, if market says okay, I want to continue the trend, it will not even respect this. Okay, then this level, if it corrects also later, it will move towards the downside itself after creating some more stop loss hunting levels here. So concept of trend continuation and stop loss hunting works simultaneously in the market. We will not get to know if it is going to be stop loss hunting or trend continuation as long as we hold on to the trade, right? After the movement is over, we will get to know okay, this is the trend now. In what way I play stop loss and target is right now in this current condition is based on stop loss hunting. If I felt this is going to be a trend continuation, my target would have been somewhere here, because previously market is in uptrend. Trend continuation means after this correction it has to move up. But rather what I have decided, okay, if the trend continues later, let us see about that. First we need to be worried about this seller re-entering the market and pushing it towards the downside. Okay, this seller, I feel this can be the fair price value for the sellers to re-enter at this zone before reaching this. So if the seller tries to re-enter here, again market can correct. Before that, plan is to if market moves towards the upside, hunting all the stop loss, plan is to exit before that. Okay, for beginners little confusion it might be there. When can we consider bearish trade? When, like I said, if market doesn't respect this level, or let's say it respects this level, moves up, and later if it shows bearishness, that means these buyers are weak. Then where is the next set of buyers? The next set of buyers is here. Next set of buyers is here. So until these buyers re-enter, okay, market, if it goes below the zone, it can quickly start moving towards the downside. So at this area you can be bearish. Until market breaks this zone, we will give little importance to the buyers who is there at this support. If this buyer shows he is weak, then later if market is being bearish, that is when view will change from bullish to bearish. Now you see it is just in a box. What to do? Both the side, if it is trapping, then both the side movement is possible. Nothing can be done in this case. Let's say from this box, if market comes out of this zone, then you can be a bit bearish about the market up to this area. Let's exit. Yeah, whoever wants to exit, you can exit. At this zone only I had said if you want to exit you can exit, if you want to hold on you can hold on. So here again market is kind of showing bearishness, means you want to exit you can exit. I'm okay to give the stop loss, so I'll just wait for this trade. Anyways, from here to here I've reduced the stop loss. Isiki Muthu sir, you're welcome. How can we fix the target and SL best ratio that is good for beginners? See, at the beginning stage, definitely your success rate might be low, of course, but what you need to understand is you don't have to be right in the market all the time. 50% of the time you are successful, 50% you are failure, but every time you're losing 10 points. Every time you're
gaining, you're gaining 10 points, sorry, 20 points. That means what is the risk reward? It is 1 is to 2. For every 10 rupees you're taking the risk, you're making 20 rupees. So if your success rate is even 50%, right, end of the day, this $10 loss what you made in the 5 trades, that will be covered by this little brokerage will be covered. After that, the remaining $50 after brokerage, maybe around $40 might be your net profit. If you just think about your trade by trade basis, or let's say today I took 2 trades, both of them failed, that is not at all a problem. Problem is one whole month you took trade. Out of 30 days, at least 15 to 18 days are you profitable. 15 days you are profitable. Once market reached 1 is to 2 risk reward, did you trail your stop loss? Did you hold on to the trade by not exiting early? In 1 or 2 trades you make 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4. End of the month you will be profitable only, right? So goal is not to be success in each and every trade, and you have to calculate success on a month to month basis, not day to day basis. Many people who brings in money to the market, 2 3 trades they take, they feel okay, they make profit, they put in more money. Instead of doing that, if you hold on to your on a month to month basis, if you calculate, things will be more better. Traders, this market is just kind of playing games. How long it's going to make me wait, I'm not sure. Already 1 hour 30 minutes live stream done. We have waited for so long. I'm okay to give the stop loss, and for that this is the target what I have decided. So, and I'm not going to change my view to bearish as long as market goes below this zone, right? This is the buyer's entry point. It has created some attracted little more sellers that have entered at this trend line, right? And considering this also as resistance, some people would have entered. Their plan might be to exit at this zone, so still they might be holding on to the trade thinking that it might correct, so it can move towards the upside and hunt their stop loss. Later at the upper end, the sellers who are here, they might re-enter. They might not allow the market to go up to this resistance. So as per stop loss hunting, this zone is where I feel these sellers can re-enter, by then booking the profit and exiting. If all this doesn't happen, if market comes and hits my stop loss and goes below this zone, then view will be changing to bearish, and market can correct a lot, and it can go trap all the people who are at this zone next. So it can move up to this zone, and the ultimate buyers who are there, who's very strong, is at this area. Maybe up to this zone also it will correct and later reverse. That possibility is there. This one in this live stream, logic, everything, more than 3-4 times I have explained. Another 5 minutes we will wait. If market hits the stop loss or anything like that, I will consider the exit and close for the day. Or if it is just holding on to this range and making us wait for a longer duration, then I'll further updates, anything is there, I will share in this crypto community group. If you're interested to join the group, you can open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, and message my team on this number, and they will be happy to guide you, right? So that is about it. Yesterday you were bang on with bank nifty levels. Today bank nifty market, yeah, from buyer zone I expected a move in both nifty and bank nifty. Bank nifty gave a movement of 200 points, but nifty was just sideways. After that I did not have that much interest to trade in the market also. I think later point of time after 2 o'clock it corrected a bit and all those things, but usually after 1:30 2 o'clock I don't look at the market. 9:15 to 2 o'clock any interesting setup, that mostly 1 o'clock any interesting setup I get, I complete with complete focus, I keep looking at. Post that, no. Now traders, you see market has again come to just the entry price, like it went up to the zone, again came to the entry price, and for this stop loss I've kept here. This is not the stop loss, this range 97,800, that's the final 810, that's the final stop loss I have decided. If market is holding on to this range for longer duration, I've lost interest. More than 1 hour 40 minutes I'm just looking at the same uh, levels here. Anyways, if market reaches this target, consider that I will update in the group if I'm going to exit here or if I'm going to trail the stop loss. But if market breaks the zone, for many people, don't keep the stop loss here. Definitely get it up to this level. Wherever you're getting that liquidation, try to hold on to the trade until it reaches, it continues the moment. You can take the trailing stop loss. Okay. So I think that is the view. It is just holding on to this range without giving any big movement. Anyways, this market is just annoying. It's just within the same range for longer duration. How many? Like, let's say for more than very long duration, we have stayed in this market. This we saw this up move, we saw this down move. Again, it is respecting this. Again, it is trapping people here. Again, it is showing continue. So both the side trapping is happening means what to do? Sideways market. So I think I'll close the live stream right now. Nothing interesting. This setup I'm still okay to hold, placing my stop loss here, because if this level also market breaks, then continuation is possible. That time I might change my view to bearish. Okay, this is the view about the market as of now, and this will be the profit booking zone. Why this is the profit booking zone in case market moves up is because the sellers might re-enter. So either book profit or trail the SL to maximum. In case this seller re-enters also, trailing stop loss we can give. So by then we would have made decent profit. If the trend continues, we can hold on to the trade. Okay. Too much getting my eyes trained looking at this market for longer duration. Anyways, thank you so much for participating in the live stream. I know it was a bit boring today, but we'll see. It all depends on what kind of movement market creates. So let's see, traders. Good night. Take care. God bless you. We'll see you in the next live stream.